Have you ever considered the profound wisdom that lies in the simple words of Jordan Peterson's third rule, make friends with people who want the best for you? Today, you'll find yourself on a journey, unraveling the intricate layers of this rule. Imagine a young man, born in the heart of Philadelphia, a city of dreams and despair. His name, Will Smith, a Hollywood celebrity who needs no introduction. Yet, before the glitz and glamour, he was just another kid navigating the challenges of life. A story not unlike Peterson's own, whose insights we delve into today. In the grand tapestry of life, our relationships form the threads that weave our story together. Peterson asserts, make friends with people who want the best for you. But what does it really mean? Let's consider Will Smith's life to understand this better. As Smith's career took off, he found himself surrounded by a myriad of people. Friends, acquaintances, admirers, critics. Yet he understood the importance of surrounding himself with people who truly wished the best for him. Those who pushed him to strive for excellence, those who held him accountable, and those who offered constructive criticism. Smith's friend Jazzy Jeff is a perfect example. Jeff wasn't just a friend who enjoyed Smith's success. He was a friend who saw potential in Smith and pushed him to explore it. Together they created music and went on to win the first Grammy in the rap category. Jeff, a friend who wanted the best for Smith, played a significant role in shaping his successful career. The essence of Peterson's rule lies in understanding that not all people who appear as friends truly want the best for you. It's about discerning between those who genuinely care for your growth and those who bask in your light without fueling your fire. Smith's life is a testament to this rule. Through his journey, he recognized the value of positive influences and the detrimental impact of negative ones. He learned to distinguish between true friends and fair-weather ones. To examine the key points of Peterson's third rule, let's recap. First, understand the importance of surrounding yourself with people who genuinely want the best for you. Second, learn to discern between genuine well-wishers and those who merely enjoy your success. Lastly, appreciate the positive influences in your life and recognize their role in your journey. Peterson's third rule isn't just about choosing the right friends. It's a mantra for life. A guide to building relationships that nurture your growth and propel you towards success. As seen in Will Smith's life, the right friends can make a world of difference. So remember, as you navigate the complex web of relationships, heed Peterson's words. Make friends with people who want the best for you. It's a rule that carries the weight of wisdom, a rule that can change your life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Peterson's third rule, seen through the lens of Will Smith's life. May it inspire you to surround yourself with those who truly wish the best for you.